Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming you have the Gmail address and legal permission to search. That matters for privacy. Once done, sign into Gmail on your desktop browser for full tools. Next, open the message list and use the search bar, type the exact email and press enter. Make sure to check the sender details panel on the right when a conversation is selected. It often shows linked contact info. This gets you immediate exposure to any public profile or saved contact data tied to the account. Once you see the email in Gmail, open Google Contacts, People. Google.com and search that address. Contacts can contain phone numbers if previously saved. Also click the profile avatar or visit the owner's Google account About section to view publicly shared phone info. Make sure you're looking at visible fields. Next, scan their past emails for signatures or shared Google Docs and calendar invites, which often include numbers. These combined checks frequently reveal a phone number without third-party tools or guessing. To finish, confirm any found number by cross-checking it across emails, event invites, or the contact card. Consistency increases confidence. If the number is missing, politely ask the owner or reach out to mutual contacts who may share the correct digits. If you still can't find it, make sure you have permission and try logging into a different Google account that may have saved shared contacts. Troubleshooting tip: if profile info is hidden, respect privacy. Request the number directly rather than using invasive methods.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.